She gonna realize.
I'm kind of retarded.
Smell like bounce that ass and funk.
Oh, wow.
All right, so Google thinks they know how to impress a girl. Okay, let's see here. Okay, step 1, start by loving yourself. What does that have to do with trying to impress her? Why I need to love myself? Number 2, it says keep nurturing. Nurturing to not nurturing her, just keep nurturing as general. I don't know. That's not true. The first 2 are not true. Be well groomed. There you go, right there. No girl wants no dude that's out here looking like he just got out of the damn cave back in before BC. You know what I'm saying? Looking like a caveman coming up to her with all this damn nappy ass beard action you got going on. You know what I'm saying? Get a nice little lineup. You know what I'm saying? I can really teach y'all something or two about how to impress a girl. You know what I'm saying? The internet don't know how to impress a girl. Look, this is how you really impress a girl, right? So let's say you like this one girl. Let's say for example her name is Wanda, right? So you walk up to Wanda. Wanda don't want to look at no dude that got a beard. It's all nappy and nasty. Got yellow teeth. Smell like bounce that ass and funk. You know what I'm saying? She don't want that. You know what I mean? Get you a nice little lineup before you go do anything. Get you a nice little lineup. Trim your beard. Make sure you smell good. Put a nice little that collage on. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you got some nice clothes too, man. They don't gotta be designer. Just make sure you ain't got the damn. I just woke up. I got a hoodie on, some pajamas. You know what I'm saying? Because it's cold outside, but I'm walking around my house like this. You know what I mean? Make sure you go outside with a nice little shirt. You know what I'm saying? Nice pressed pants. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you got some clean socks on. First of all, gotta have some clean socks with some shoes. You know what I'm saying? Get you a pair of white Air Forces. Get you 2 pair, all right? Get you 1 pair that you can wear, that you beat, but you wear them just, you know what I mean? I did have that fresh ass pair of Air Forces for any events. You know what I mean? Always had 2 pairs, right? You walk up to him like, excuse me, love. Are you part Pokemon? Cause I want Pikachu. Number 2 is your dad play baseball?
Let him cook.
He hit it out the park with you. Oh my gosh. And she gonna be like, oh my goodness, stop. You know what I mean? And be like, no, I'm gonna keep going. Number 3, the 3rd best pickup line I ever heard. Are you from Tennessee?
Oh, brother.
Cause you only Tennessee. Yeah! Oh my goodness, you know how clean that is? That's so clean. And they say girls don't like pickup lines, but pickup lines are a way of flirting in a way that's funny and a way of charm. You charming her with that. You know what I mean? They want to be charmed. This goes for, I think this goes for any type of woman. You know what I'm saying? This depending on what her her sexuality is. And I think even some girls that say they 100% lesbian, some of them like that shit. I know for a fact, deep down, some of them, not all of them, some of them definitely like that, for sure. So make sure you charm her up, you know what I'm saying? Look her in her eyes, you know what I mean? Keep eye contact. If she started looking other way, be like, hey, my eyes up here. What are you looking around for? It's just me and you right now.
Let him cook.
Like, you know what I mean? I give out really good advice. All right, this number 4. Have a personal, meaningful conversation. It's key also. Y'all just don't want to be talking about no bull job. Talk about what are your passions. You like watching TV? That's the only thing you watch? You don't watch anime or nothing like that? Oh, you do watch anime. Okay. What you like watching? You like Jujutsu Kaisen? No? You don't like Jujutsu Kaisen? Why not? Why you don't like Jujutsu Kaisen? You like Baki though, right? Yeah, Baki tough. Baki the grappler. That joint high, ain't it? Yeah, that joint high for real. Yo, Baki really crazy. You know what I'm saying? Having an insightful conversation. You know what I mean? Make sure you bring your tone up and you express when you're talking with your words about something of interest to her. So it seems like you're very into what you're talking about, even though you don't have no care in the world. Like that, but you just trying to impress this girl. You know what I mean? You don't even know if y'all gonna be together for a long time. You just trying to make a real good first. What they call it, man? A first impression, man. Coming from me, man. Y'all know your boy I got 6 kids by 9 different baby mamas, but it's crazy.
Cap.
Give attention, be a good listener. Of course, you always want to be a good listener. She could be talking about how let's say she don't like water or some bull junk, and she just talking, yapping. You just sitting there like, Oh my gosh, are you serious? For real? Stop. No way. No way.
Hey, yo.
Compliment her on her intelligence. Yeah, man. You could also be facetious with your conversation toward her. If you don't know what facetious is, man, y'all go look it up, man. I learned y'all a big ass word, facetious. To see where her brain is at. Sometimes you could be a little facetious when you're talking about certain things to see if she really catches on. If she catches on, be like, stop. And then you be like, okay, she is a little smart. You know what I mean? Like that. But yeah, compliment her on intelligence. Compliment her on her insightful thinking. Don't just say, yeah, you're very smart. I didn't know that. You know what I mean? That just sounds crazy. Even if you didn't think she was smart, I don't look smart. My brother told me this a while ago. He said, bro, you smarter than you look. My mom started laughing. And then I just sat there. I was like, what the hell are they talking about? Now I'm older. That was disrespectful. I should whoop his ass for that. Now, being honest, there's a lot of stuff you could be forth about, but being honest on everything, you can fabricate a little bit. Don't be too honest, because you know what I'm saying. If you're a little crazy like me, and they say be yourself. I can't be myself around a girl that I really like. I can't. She gonna realize
I'm kind of retarded.
I'm not it. She gonna realize, yo, he is not it. This Ace dude, this Ace guy is crazy. But look, don't. If you a little crazy, don't be yourself 100%. You can be like 90% of yourself, but just leave that part at home. But yeah, you could be honest about some stuff. If she say, do you really like me? But you were just conversating with this girl, and you don't think you like her, because I've seen that before. People are like, they think they like this girl until they start talking to him, and then they be like, damn, but she likes you. But then you be like, damn, I think we just better off as friends. If that's the route you want to go that route. But you didn't do all this hard work to just become friends. At least try to go on a couple of dates, you know what I mean? Talk to the girl at least. Some people are just crazy, have the indecency to just be like, you know what, after that, I don't want her. You know what I mean? There's a lot of crazy dudes, a lot of crazy girls, a lot of crazy everybody crazy. So go your own path, go down your own route. But everything I told you for sure will get you this girl that you've been dreaming about and trying to get with, man. Stay up, like and subscribe, stay positive, pizza.
Oh, wow.